So you have nothing now.
Yes, what you see right now is what I
It's
have.
only yourself.
Walang-wala na raw siya at tanging sarili na lamang ang dala nito. Ito ang pahayag ng isang German national na lalaki nang dumulog sa Kalibo Police Station. Ayon sa kanya, ninakawan raw siya ng nobyang Pinay ng mahigit 32,000 pesos at sinira pa ang cellphone nito na nagkakahalaga ng mahigit 100,000 pesos.
On the 9th of March.
March this year.
Yeah.
Okay. So you just met her more than 1 month ago, and then you live together.
I have my condo
Where?
in Avida Tower in Iloilo.
Iloilo City.
Yes.
Mm.
And she has also her condo.
Mm.
But sometimes we stay together for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and I go back to my place. Like this, you know. Yes. So basically, we're living together.
Sa salaysay ng foreigner, ibinigay niya raw ang lahat para sa kaligayahan ng nobya at sa pamilya nito.
I did everything for her. Everything. I bought her and her family's clothes, shoes. I spent just to have a good day with the family, a lot of money, right? And also on parties, on going out. I did I did everything, right, for her. But
Okay lang raw sa kanya ang iwanan siya ng nobya, pero ang hindi nito matanggap ay ang pagtangay nito ng kanyang mga gamit at pera.
now she's doing like I mean I think like when you are a normal human with at least a little bit of heart, right? You would never let someone in a country, different country, without nothing, and steal their stuff. You know, like even though she slapped me, it's okay. But taking my things, my belongings, which I need for surviving, is not. It's not. There's no humanity. You know?
Sa unang pahayag ng foreigner na si David Tamin Komar, 24 years old, sa mga media, magkasama raw sila ng nobya mula Iloilo at nagtungo dito sa Aklan para bisitahin ang pamilya ng nobya. Namili pa raw sila ng mga pasalubong na nagkakahalaga ng 22,000 pesos.
So first of all, we came here because the person who stole my things, her little sister, has birthday. Okay, and that's why we came to visit her family. And we went to the mall. We bought like a lot of things. We spent like yesterday about 22,000 pesos
22,000 pesos.
only in presents for her 7-year sister, and to just make a little girl smile, you know. Then we went home to the hotel, and I was having some drinks outside while she was in the room. And then I also met other people, was outside with them, came home, and then she wanted to check my phone because she always checks my phone. Like she scrolls through everything, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, you know. And yes, and then she saw some messages from a woman. Nothing like flirty or nothing wrong, like normal messages, right? Like, yeah, where are you? I am here, like this, right?
She have checked your maybe your messenger, social media accounts.
Yes. She went really crazy. Yes. She took my phone,
Okay.
slapped it on the ground. Like my phone is like basically only the backside of the backside that was on display. That it's like completely like in pieces. I cannot even contact my family. I'm also doing business here. Yes, and on the other side, my friends also. I need to communicate about my payments money, right? So she destroyed it, and then she started to beat me. You know, like hit me, like physically assault me, and yeah. Then I was like, look, I never made a joke about a breakup, or I never mentioned breakups, okay? But this time I was serious, and I told her like, look, I'm breaking up, finish. And then she went crazy. She went outside, then she came inside again. Everywhere because she was angry. She threw my cash on the ground, right? Before came
Okay.
inside, picked all my cash from the ground, except for 1,000 pesos. She didn't sell it. Yes, so that means also she took my medicine, which I need,
Oh.
because I have kidney problems,
Mm.
and she knows this exactly. When I'm not taking it in like 2 or 3 days, then my kidneys, my full system is not going to work.
She took all of your
Yes,
medicines
on purpose, on purpose.
on purpose.
Yes, but she knows like if I'm not taking my medicine, then I will die really fast.
Mm.
And on the other side, she left me here without nothing. You know, like at a place which I don't know, where I don't know people. She took my passport, so basically I am an illegal immigrant, right? To be exactly, even though I have my visa is there, right? But my passport is not here. Yes.
If ever she's watching this video, what is your message to her?
Control your emotions first of all. I don't have any negative feelings about you, about her. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. But on the other side, I will find a new girlfriend. You know,
Okay. Are you not going to confront her or to ask her?
she's in Iloilo. She destroyed my phone. She just took the car and went to Iloilo straight with all my things and the money and everything which I mentioned. She just went to Iloilo.
Just this morning?
Yes.
So you've been staying here in Kalibo for
No,
more
today.
than a month
Not in Kalibo, in Iloilo.
in Iloilo.
Yes.
But here in Kalibo,
I arrived yesterday.
yesterday. So that means you just booked a room in one hotel here in Kalibo
Yes.
for just one night.
Yes.
So what is your purpose together here in Kalibo?
To visit her family. You know.
So where is her residence here in Kalibo? What specific address? Do you know her specific address?
No.
Exact address?
No.
Even the barangay, the street? So what's next now? What are you going to do?
I don't know. I need to get my things back. But
Yeah.
the only thing which I think the police can do is make a file, right? And that's it.
And I am sure that our police here will help you to find your girlfriend. And of course, they're going to...
Everyone is really nice. The police is really nice and kind. They when I lost my hope and my, how do you say it, like when I was out of my control, out of mind, you know, thinking too much, they calmed me down, really friendly. Yes, awesome people, definitely. Yes, but still, at least I need my things back, you know, like, yes.
By the way, how much is the money that she took from you?
33K.
33,000.
Yes. 32, sorry. I found 1 pesos under my bed.
32,000 pesos.
Yeah.
What about the other belongings?
My phone, iPhone 15 is about 150,000, right? About in worth. My passport is, you cannot pay my passport with money. You have to marry at least to get it. Yes. Yes, that's the one thing. My medicine is maybe 5,000, 6,000 pesos. Okay, but still for me it's not comparable with money because I need it to survive.
Yan ang pahayag ng dayuhan pero iba ang natuklasan ng mga kapulisan sa kanilang investigasyon. Ngayong hapon kinausap namin ang Chief of Police ng Kalibo Police Station na si Police Lieutenant Colonel Jeric Vargas.
Magandang hapon po.
Sir, ano po ang nangyari? Paano po nakarating sa inyong tanggapan itong reklamo ng isang German national po?
Yes po, pali po kahapon ng umaga, April 13, nang tumawag sa amin yung staff ng isang hotel, huwag na natin bagitin kasi hindi rin nila pinapabanggit po, na mayroon nga pong nangyaring away in between sa dalawang magkasintahan And allegedly, nung pinuntahan nung personnel natin, pag-response dun sa area, yun nga po, yung German national natin, yung may edad na 24 years old, ay nagreklamo po na yung passport niya and mga damit niya and 32,000 cash ay allegedly kinuha ng girlfriend niya. So, we invite him dito sa police station para po may record yung complaint. And so happened, nung andito sa station, I think may ibang media entity na nagpag-interview ahead sa kanya and biglang umalis. So, we conducted follow-up ulit dun sa para maingganyo siyang bumalik dito para nga po may record natin po yung complaint niya. And around 1 p.m. same date, nung bumalik siya at doon na po natin na-record yun. And allegedly nga po yun yung binigay sa ating mga nawawala sa kanya. Allegedly kinuha ng girlfriend niyang from Iloilo. But taga-Aklan din po yung family, but presently naka-reside na sa Iloilo. So, during the conduct ng follow-up natin, and we contacted also yung babae, very participative naman po yung girlfriend niya. Nagkaroon ho sila ng altercation ni namin ng German national sa record niya na nasampal niya yung girlfriend niya, yung 20 years old, at 28 years old. Dahil allegedly na nahuli siyang may imi-meet up na babae.
Ay,
So sa inis nung girlfriend niya, binasag yung phone and doon na po inamin ng German national na nasampal niya yung babae. Doon na po nagkaroon ng altercation, nagkaroon ng palitan sa kanilang dalawa hanggang sa umalis na po itong girlfriend niya going to Iloilo, considering na may trabaho po, may work yung babae sa Iloilo. So pagdating natin doon, pag-response nga nung time na yun, humingi ng tulong, wala na po doon yung girlfriend niya, 28 years old, and allegedly naka-Iloilo. So nung contact tayo doon sa babae, kinuha din natin yung side niya. Allegedly, pinagmulan po noon is nalaman niya na itong si German national is mayroong papupuntahing babae pag alis niya ng hotel nung araw na yon going to Iloilo. So yun po yung pinag-ugatan noon na inamin niya din na binasag yung phone sa inis. However, yung sinasabing passport, yung cash amounting to 32,000 at saka yung mga damit ay completely denial yung girlfriend niya dahil wala pong dala-dala siyang gamit papunta ng Iloilo. And yung passport, sinasabi niya na baka yung passport na iwan doon sa apartment na nirerentahan nitong German national sa Iloilo. So yun po yung subject pa namin ng confirmation kung andun talaga yung sinasabing passport na yun na nawawala. But yung about sa 32,000, denial din po yung girlfriend niya, considering based dun sa statement, as of this date, wala pong trabaho si German national at yung female ang nagsusuporta
I see.
dito.
So, baliktad pala ang
Baliktad
mga
po. So,
allegation niya lahat.
Yes po, yun po yung nangyayari, which is yun pong subject natin ng investigation din. Even yung former employee nitong German national, tinatry namin na makontak kung totoo ba. But allegedly, ang bigay sa amin ng girlfriend niya, almost 2 months nang walang work itong German national at siya yung
Nagagasto.
support. Even yung pag-process ng visa, binigay niya sa amin na siya pa yung gumasto, yung babae pa yung gumasto para lang ma-process yung visa nitong German national natin, yung allegedly victim natin na German national.
To support dito po, sir, sa allegation ng German national, ganun na rin dito sa depensa ng babae. Na-review na po natin, sir, yung CCTV
Yes
footage
po, actually may na-capture na ho natin based doon sa video na nakuha natin sa hotel mismo. The time na nag-away sila, humingi po ng tulong itong babae sa staff, which is doon naman po talaga nakita sa CCTV na pumunta yung staff However, nung nakita nag-aaway nga sila, umalis bigla yung staff kasi natakot din siguro. And doon na po, lumabas after a few minutes, lumabas yung German National na nakatalukbong na lang ng kumot. Walang allegedly walang damit. And that time na yon, nakita naman doon sa video na pag-alis ng babae, andun yung German National. Pag-alis nung time na yon na umalis siya going to Iloilo, andun yung German National. Makikita po doon na walang bit-bit din na gamit yung babae.
I
So
see.
doon natin makikita na technically walang kinuha. Walang kinuha yung female. Yun nga din po yung hinihintay natin na pumunta dito. We are waiting na supposed to be kahapon pa, but sabi niya nag-apologize na hindi makapunta considering yung trabaho sa Iloilo. So bukas po yung ma-schedule niya. And I think baka makapag-meet up din sa mga media natin, friends. Kasi gusto niya din linawin. Kasi nga iba nga po yung napipost na medyo na sasaktan din daw siya. So, technically, sabi nga namin, mas maganda yon para at least mabigay din yung side niya. Kung ano ba talaga doon. But generally, ganun po yung nangyari sa incident yung nangyari. It's a love quarrel in between boyfriend and girlfriend. However, yun nga po, pumagitna lang po tayo para hindi na masyadong lumalim pa yung insidente.
Sir, maganda nga at nagawa natin itong interview ngayon at nalinawan na at least medyo may punto talaga yung babae dito, no? Kasi sabi niya sa interview namin kahapon, talagang nagdulot ng stress, no? Mental disturbance sa kanya itong insidente na to, at yung bus sa kanya ng mga netizen talagang sa kanya napunta eh.
Yes,
yung mga netizen kasi parang kampi talaga doon sa German National. So at least klaro ngayon na nagsasabi ng totoo itong babae.
Yes po. Coincide po ito ng mga pieces of evidence na nakuha din natin mula doon sa hotel. And of course, yung mga binibigay sa aming statement and yung pictures galing mismo sa girlfriend niya. So, hintayin din namin kung magpapile ba talaga ng BAUSI, yung RA 9262. Kasi allegedly, 2 beses inuntog nitong German National yung girlfriend niya before umalis.
So, ang mangyayari nito, sir, ang German National na ito ang makukulong pa.
Possibly po, yes sir.
Kasi,
pag ganun po yung nangyari.
kumbaga, wala pala talagang nangyari na pagnanakaw dahil based sa mga evidence na nakalap po ninyo.
Yes po. Yun po. Malaking po yun yung statement na binigay sa amin at saka pinakitang mga resibo at saka yung pag-process ng visa na siya mismo yung nagbibigay doon sa German National para lang ma-process.
Nasaan na ito, sir, ngayon, tong German National
Nandito
pa?
pa rin po. Nandito pa rin sa Kalibo, waiting. We don't know, baka naghihintay lang din siyang sunduin din ng girlfriend. We don't know kung anong mangyayari sa love story in between ito. However, tingnan na lang natin tomorrow pag dumating yung girlfriend niya. Kung magde-decide ba talagang filean pa ng criminal complaint itong German National na boyfriend niya or vice versa.
Pero wala dito ngayon, sir, sa police station yung German National?
Wala po. Technically, wala po dito sa amin.
Sir, naitanong niyo ba sa Novia kung, kasi sabi niya, inuntog daw siya eh. Ano yung reason niya, bakit umalis siya nang hindi man lang nag-report sa police station?
Nakuha na ho namin yung statement niya na immediately naghabol siya ng oras kasi nga may work sa Iloilo. Yun lang po yung reason. Saka hindi niya, kasi parang nangyari, sanay na po siyang ganun ang nangyayari sa kanila. Dahil hindi lang po, based sa kanya, hindi lang po yung incidenting nangyari. Meron pa nangyari nung nasa Boracay sila. Na yung background ng German natin, laging nalalasing at pag nalalasing, laging sinasaktan siya. Allegedly. So, yun lang po yung incidente nangyari sa hotel dito sa Kalibo kung saan sila naka-stay. Yun lang po yung medyo
Opo. Sir, so ibig sabihin po ba, mayroong gap between sa oras ng pangyayari nung pag-away nila nung gabi sa oras naman ng kanyang pag-alis? So, ang pag-alis ng babae para magtrabaho balik sa Iloilo po?
Diretso po yan. Walang gap po yan.
Walang gap.
Immediately after kasi around 5 Mga nasa 5 or quart, going to 5 yung AM yung nangyari yon. Then sabay na din po yung pag-alis nun. Makikita dun sa CCTV na ganong oras umalis yung babae.
I see.
Yes po.
Sir, may binanggit kasi itong babae sa interview namin sa kanya kahapon through phone call na nagkukuking daw itong nobyo niya. May admission ba dito sa...
Wala pong inadmit with regards doon. But of course, titingnan natin kung talagang may katotohanan yun. So, but tingnan natin, hindi kasi natin basta-basta mapaano yun without basis. So, kailangan ho talaga natin ebidensya din yan. Yes.
So ngayon po, ano po ang pinal na investigasyon ngayon ng Kalibo PNP sa insidente po na to, sir?
Well, sabi ko nga po, ang makakapagsarado nito is yung pag dumating na yung babae. So, na part of ni German National, yun nga po, parang inconsistent. Hindi tumutugma doon sa mga ebidensyang nakuha namin sa statement niya ng binibigay. Including yung pagkawala ng passport. So, yun po yung cooperation hihingi namin sa kanya nga na kung matingnan niya doon sa Iloilo, sa apartment niya yon yung passport niya. Kasi baka andun din na iwan. Yun din yung thinking ng girlfriend niya na possibly andun yung passport.
Sir, kami sa side, sa media, kinuha rin namin yung side naman ng German at ng kanyang nobya. Kaso hindi namin makontrol itong mga comment talaga ng mga netizen.
Opo,
At
opo.
nagdulot talaga ng distress dito sa babae. And maybe kahit siguro sa German din na to. Ano masasabi nyo, sir, muna may papayo nyo sa mga netizen natin?
Well, sa community ho natin, yun nga, siguro mas alamin niya muna natin yung kabuuang kwento. Sabi nga, sa part namin, hindi rin namin basta-basta titingnan yung investigation natin na nasa isang side lang. Dapat matingnan din natin yung kabilang side. Kasi kagaya nga po nun, hindi natin alam na pinagmulan ng gulo, ng incident is hindi naman si
babae.
girlfriend, kundi yung German yung pinagmulan doon dahil nahuli siyang may papupuntahing ibang babae to stay. So, yun nga po, sinasabi natin para hindi na lang lalong umapoy yung usok. Tingnan muna natin. Kasi ang napapahiya po natin is reputasyon ng isang tao. So, yun lamang po yung ano natin tungkol dito sa incident yung nangyari. Na involvement ng isang German national at saka isang Filipina na magkarelasyon.
May dagdag ko lang, sir, in short po, dahil may nakitang message ng babae, pwede bang masabi na dahil sa selos din yung pag-away niya?
Yes, possibly. Love quarrel nga. Yung ano natin.
Sige po, thank you so much
Selos.
po, sir.
Yes po.
Police Lieutenant Colonel Jeric Vargas, sir, maraming salamat po sa oras na binigay po sa amin.
Yes po. Maraming salamat din po sa oras na pagpunta nyo dito sa police station.